Hello Gemini, how are you? Welcome to my channel, star, and welcome to your reading. So Gemini, this is your reading for the month of October 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Also Gemini, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Gemini, there is an extended reading for this one, and if you are interested in the same, if you are excited to know what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person. Also, if you want to know why you are experiencing stagnancy in your love life and what is it that you need to do to overcome that stagnancy. Also, if you want to know some romantic messages for the month of October, you can go ahead and check out the link that has been provided in the description box and in the comment section. It is the link for the extended reading. Okay, right, now coming back to this reading on YouTube, what I'm going to do, Gemini, is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you're thinking about, you're dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay, thereafter I'm going to pull out some oracle cards, and with the help of oracle cards we'll see what are the messages available for you for the month of October, and messages from higher powers and the universe, okay, for the month of October. So Gemini, let's get started now. No, I'm not yet done shuffling. So we have 8 of Wands, then we have King of Pentacles, and we have 9 of Swords. Then we have 4 of Swords, we have Page of Cups, and we have Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups, and we have S4 of Wands. Okay, so now let's pull out some oracle cards, although we are going to discuss this at the fag end of this reading. So what are the messages, what is the advice that you need to know for the month of October, Gemini? Okay, we'll discuss these oracle cards at the end. Let's discuss the tarot cards first. Okay, so Gemini, you may be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs, Gemini. So we have is Eight of Wands, King of Pentacles, and 9 of Swords. Okay, Gemini, the main crux of your life, the main focus of your life right now is to gain stability. Okay, you want stability, you're craving for stability right now. You know that you wanted passion in the past. Okay, you thought that passion is the fulfilling factor of your life. Okay, but now what you see is that only passion doesn't fulfill your life. Okay, you need passion, you need stability, you need everything, right? You need love and care and loyalty and everything, respect for one another, and etc. Okay, so you are craving an overall stability. You are also taking care of your own life goals. Okay, say for example you have some career goals, you have some financial goals, you're chasing those goals is what I'm feeling. Okay, and you have set certain bar for yourself. Okay, like by the end of 2021 or by the end of 2022, this is what I'm going to achieve. You are focused on those goals. Okay, you're trying to chase those goals. I'm also feeling that there are going to be some sudden changes in your life, Gemini, and you will be a bit surprised by those changes, or maybe a sudden communication is going to happen. Okay, there something suddenly is going to happen, Gemini. Okay, and that is going to surprise you. I just saw 444. You may be seeing a lot of 444. We also have 4 of Swords, and we have is 4 of Wands. Okay, and I also saw 444. So Yes, so check out the angel message for that angelic number. So, some sudden changes or some sudden communication is about to happen in your life, and that communication or those changes are going to be a bit surprising, bit shocking, but it is not going to be like it is not going to be like your life will get shattered because of that communication. No, 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 not at all. Whatever communication is coming, whatever changes are happening, they are positive, for sure positive. But because you're heavily focused somewhere else in your life, and then boom, there's some news comes, and then probably you are required to shift your priority. Okay, because of that, it may come across as a bit surprising or a bit shocking, and it may be a bit uncomfortable at the start. Okay, but ultimately it's a positive change, just know that. Okay, and with a nine of swords, what I feel is that Gemini, you felt ungrounded for some time. Okay, you felt like because you were excessively focused on certain things in your life in the past, and you may have ignored a couple of other things. Okay, that's why you felt like you felt like a flighty character. No, I wouldn't say that, not a flighty character, but you are feeling the need to ground yourself. Okay, you probably may want to work on your root chakra, Gemini, and that is about uh, it affects your fundamental personality. Okay, it affects who you are. It helps you in grounding yourself. Okay, it helps you in uh, bringing reasonability in your actions, in your behavior, and everything. I'm not saying you're unreasonable, but because you found yourself heavily focused on certain areas only in the past. Say, for example, you were heavily focused on in the area of love. When you were with your person, all you could do was you were thinking about your person, you were thinking about this relationship. Okay, and then later on, after separating from that person, you realize that, oh my god, all I did was love and this person and this love connection. Okay, what about my career? What about my money? What about my relationship with the friends? What about my relationship with the family? Right, so you are feeling the need to ground yourself, you are feeling the need to strike a balance in every other area of your life. Okay, and yes, money is the focal point right now. You are a bit ambitious. Okay, but there is also some fear inside you. There is some sort of a fear inside you, Gemini. Okay, and this fear is probably losing focus on you right now you are striving to achieve a balance. Okay, and the fear is you may lose that balance all over again. Okay, so yeah, because once you decide to focus, you are heavily focused on one specific area. Like in the past you were focused on your love, probably now you're focused on making your pentacles, your finances, and your career. Okay, you really want to achieve a balance in your life. You want to enjoy everything in your life, and you know that every single area, every single domain of your life is very important. Okay, including love, including money, including relationships, family and friends, and everyone is very important, and you want to learn to strike a balance. Okay, you just fear that you may get out of balance because of heavy focus in one specific area only. Okay, but don't worry, it is just a unnecessary fear that is lingering in your mind. Okay, because I don't see anything happening like that. I don't see your fear turning out to be a reality. As far as your person is concerned, we have Queen of Cups, Page of Cups, and we have is Four of Swords. So Gemini, this person, they have started developing a lot of feelings for you, Gemini, this past person of yours. Okay, but then at the same time, this person is also overthinking. Okay, there is a lot of overthinking that is going on, and they fear that uh, like with whatever offer they are coming towards you or they want to come towards you, that offer may not be enough. Okay, there is an insecurity lingering inside them, and that is one of the reasons multiple times they decided to come your way, they decided to come in your direction, but they did not come. They developed a cold feet out of fear, out of shame, and also they have this insecurity, like whatever offer they will make, it will never be enough. Okay, because they whenever they think about you and whenever they think about them, they always think that you are a king or a queen and they're always a page. Okay, they consider you as a way mature, a way wise, and a amazing person. Okay, and when they compare you and themselves, then they find themselves at a much lower level. Okay, when they are trying to compare the maturity, when they are trying to compare the wisdom, when they are trying to compare the experiences you have had in your life and experiences they have had in their life. Okay, so they always consider like, no, they will never be enough. So they have a lot of insecurities, Gemini. And what I feel is that there is going to be someone new who's going to enter in your life, Gemini. This new person, uh, they're very nice, they're very loving and caring, very energetic, very young at heart person. This person may be younger than you. If they are not younger than you, then this person uh, may be very young at heart. Okay, highly energetic and very young at heart. It may happen that you may not notice this person because, like I told you, you're focused somewhere else right now. Okay, you may not notice that they are interested in you. Okay, but Gemini, I feel that somehow you're still thinking about your past. Okay, and I also feel, Gemini, that you may have choices. Okay, you may have a choice between two people, a past and a new. Yes. So the mutual energy is Ace of Cups and Four of Wands. Yes, you will have an opportunity to either reignite the situation with the past person, but I'm sensing that you're more inclined towards moving on and moving away from the past. Okay, either reignite or get into a relationship with a new person. And somehow I'm sensing that you're more inclined towards inviting a new person in your life. In fact, I feel that you are manifesting a new person in your life, Gemini, and you're manifesting someone who is going to contribute towards stability in your life. They themselves will be stable. Okay, and you just want calmness and peace in relationship. Okay, you are done with chaotic situations. The moment you feel like a situation with a person is going to become chaotic, you may literally leave that person right away. Okay, so you really want stability, you really want someone who is stable, who is reasonable. Okay, and that's what you are striving for yourself also. All right, so if this resonates, hit like, share and subscribe and comment on below. And we have the link for the extended reading. We will see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person. We'll pull out some romance angel cards and we'll also see what are the romantic messages for you for the month of October. Apart from that, we'll see why you're experiencing stagnancy in your love life and what is it that you need to do to overcome that stagnancy. Okay, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check out the extended reading. Now let's check out the oracle cards. So we have action, we have community, we have magician and the mirror, and we have a man holding a card, heart. I told you, right, there is someone new who is about to enter in your life. This person is waiting for the right time. Probably this person knows who you are. Okay, yeah, this person is going to be young, Gemini. I feel that this person is going to be quite younger to you, or if not younger, then this person is going to be this person is going to be very energetic, enthusiastic and young at heart. Okay, you are definitely manifesting a new person. You are definitely manifesting stability. Your soul tribe is there to help you out with that community card. Okay, and if you're feeling a bit anxiety, just go and hang out with your friends. Okay, you need some socialization. You go to the job, or you do your business, or whatever you're doing. If you're into education, you do your routines very in a very disciplined manner. Okay, but apart from your routines, you also need a break. You need to hang out with your friends. You need to go out and explore the outside world. You are extremely preoccupied with whatever you're doing right now. Okay, you are becoming ambitious, but remember, at times you also need a break. With action, if at all you're procrastinating certain things in your life, it's time that you start doing them. Okay, maintain a diary if you want to. You can write them down. What is the work that you need to do? You probably need to bring some self discipline in your life. Okay, and be honest with yourself, Gemini. Don't do anything to please people. Do things to please yourself. Do things to please make yourself happy. Okay, you're being asked, you're being called to be honest with yourself. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, and comment on below. And yeah, if you're interested, you can go ahead and check out the extended reading. Okay, link is in description box and in comment section. Bye bye then, Gemini.